I will talk about how to open a bank account in Panama. As you know, Panama is in Central America and is known for the Panama Canal. There are a lot of banks options there, and also you can obtain a residency there. If you open a bank account in Panama, what are the benefits? You can have your bank account with American dollars. It's a crypto-friendly country, you will have a crypto-friendly bank account, and the minimum deposit is only $50. You're not going to have annual maintenance fees, and you will access to your funds with a debit card or wire transfer too. You will be available to send wire transfers, internationals and ACH. You will enjoy of the security bank system in Panama that is one of the most robust in the world. What are the requirements to open the bank account? We will need a copy of your passport, a proof of residency, can be for example an utility bill, 3-month bank statement of other banks that you have abroad Panama to show your solvency. If you plan to use it for crypto matters, you will need to share your crypto address in your wallet, and in case that you want to open a company bank account, we will need the company bylaw of the company, and we will need the company bylaw and other kind of document regarding your company. Why open a bank account in Panama? Panama is an unstable country, it's a very political stable, it's a tax haven. We can say that it's a kind of Switzerland of Americas. The English is commonly spoken, dollar is the official currency, and it has no central bank. For open the bank account, it's not necessary to travel there, you can open also remotely. If you are interested in open a bank account in Panama, you can schedule a call with us and we will give you more information. I hope to talk with you soon.